Bonjour à tous! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Lou. Welcome to the fourth and final part of my France vlog. This week I'll be showing you some amazing sights. If you haven't seen the previous vlogs, I have them linked in the description below, so check it out. Before we move on, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and like this video as well. Alrighty, let's go! On our fourth day back in Paris, we woke up super early and made our way to the Louvre. I've always seen this place in pictures, so I was super stoked to go see the glass pyramid for myself. We went on a Tuesday, which was intentional because the Louvre closes on Tuesdays, so there won't be much crowd. And since it was super early, we pretty much almost had the whole place to ourselves. We took some pretty pictures, and the next time we go back to Paris, we're definitely going to visit the museum. After the Louvre, we took a bus and went to the famous shopping street Champs-Élysées. Of course, I had to go to Sephora and did a little spending there. We crossed the road and got ourselves the infamous La Durée macaroons. As you can see, this is a very bougie place, and the price, it was like 17 euros for 6 macaroons. Later in the evening, we got some French cheese, wine, and sandwiches, and we went back to the Eiffel Tower for another picnic. It was so perfect, I loved it. Every night after sunset till 1 AM, the Eiffel Tower lights up with sparkly lights for the first 5 minutes of each hour, and it is a beautiful sight to behold. When we got home that night, we finally tried the macaroons from La Durée, and they were amazing. We got salted caramel, citrus, and raspberry flavors. Was it worth 17 euros? I'm not sure, but you can see on my face that I enjoyed every bite. The next morning, we went to the Palace of Versailles. I was super excited to visit, and it was everything I expected and more. And just look at the queue to get in. Mind you, we got there pretty early, but the line was so long. It didn't take too long to get in though, so it's okay. This place was the principal royal residence of France from 1682 up till the French Revolution. Versailles is a little far outside of Paris, but it was worth the trip. Just like all the architecture in Paris, this palace was no exception. In fact, Versailles was even more majestic and mind-blowingly beautiful. Every piece of furniture and every little detail was so immaculate. Here we had the infamous Hall of Mirrors of Versailles, easily one of the most beautiful part of this palace. And the gardens. The gardens were so pretty, so well maintained, and just acres of it. It was so beautiful. The palace grounds were so big, we got pretty tired of walking, so luckily we found this train and hopped onto it, which took us back to the main palace. Thank God. For dinner, we met up with Sid's family at a local restaurant and we had a great time bonding with everyone. The food was amazing, and look at this ice cream. It looks so sinful. I can't believe I ate it all. And that wraps up my trip to France. I miss it so much and I can't wait to go back already. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every Sunday, so stay tuned. And a bientôt!